Hello everyone, to discuss factors affecting aerobic composting, microorganisms, shredding of refuse, CN ratio, temperature, moisture content, window details, orientation, yard turning. Macroorganisms. In aerobic system, there are many organisms actively participating. Bacteria, ectomyces, fungi, others. In the initial stage, mostly mesophilic for temperature 30 to 40 degrees C. Then mostly thermophilic bacteria and fungi 60 to 70 degrees C. In final stage, mesophilic bacteria and fungi bacteria breaks down mostly protein and other organic matter. Fungi and excinomatics decomposition ligand and Celsius. Most of the organisms for composting are readily available in the municipal solid waste itself, but there are in columns and enzymes claiming to sustain composting. This is required for sure for agricultural and industrial wastes. Shredding of the municipal solid waste. Some point is here for better bacterial evasion. Shredding destroy the natural resistance of the vegetation to microbial invasion. Provides provides larger surface area, better availability of oxygen, uniform and rapid decomposition. Materials becomes more homogeneous, and last one is the better fly control, moisture control. Desirable size of for composting less than 2-inch. Material size governs to a certain extent the size of the finished product. Compost for flower gradients less than 1 centimeter. Now explain CY/N ratio. CY/N ratio, that means carbon by nitrogen ratio available in important as all C present or carbon present not be available for degradation. For rapid composting, initially CN ratio of the waste 30 in ideal range, range will be 26 to 32. If CN ratio is much greater than add add and source like blood, sewage, sludge, slaughterhouse, wastage, etc. If CN ratio is less than much less than 30, and add C sources like straw, sawdust, paper, etc. For the finished compost product, CN ratio 16 to 20 in the best. If CN ratio is much greater than 20, robbing of nitrogen takes place. There shall be a delay for the ability of nitrogen to the plants. This is because of excess carbon 10 used in nitrogen in the soil to build self-protozoa. If CN ratio is much less than 20, that compost cannot improve the soil structure considerably. Temperature. Municipal solid waste has good insulation properties, so that temperature should up in aerobic composting. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. It may increase 65 to 70 degrees C, but optimum temperature is 50 to 60 degrees C. If temperature is greater than 70 degrees C, it may inactive the enzymes and organisms. All pathogens shall be killed if 50 to 60 degrees C is maintained for 7 to 5 days. No temperature rise in anaerobic composting. Moisture content optimum 45 to 55% by weight. If moisture is considerably less than the optimum, the physiological needs of the organisms are not met. If moisture is considerably greater than the optimum, then pores may be blocked, affecting the oxygen supply system. System may turn anaerobic. Anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen. If moisture is less than 40 degrees C, just add water. No composting if moisture is less than 12 degrees, 12%. The very important topic, meter window composting. For Arabic composting, material should be loosely packed. If window height is too much, self-weight causes some compression and the pore space reduces. If window height is too low, heat loss will be high and temperature goes below optimum. Height can be more in cold season countries. For municipal solid waste, for simple window, height shall not be more than 1.5 to 1.8 meter and not less than 1 to 1.2 meter. Width is taken as 2.4 meter to 3.6 meter. Height is between 1.8 to 2.7 meter for the window with air circulation arrangement at the center. In this case, width is taken as 3.6 meter to 6.1 meter. Now, last point is the turning. The mixing equipment also decides the height of the windows. Okay, thank you.